structure 1. In atomic structure, the important one is Bohr's atomic model. Bohr's atomic model. According to Bohr, electrons revolving around the nucleus in fixed orbits. According to Bohr, electrons revolving around the nucleus in fixed orbits. Okay. As long as electrons revolving around the nucleus, they do not emit energy or absorb energy. As long as electrons revolving around the nucleus, they do not emit energy or absorb energy. So these orbits are called stationary orbits. Okay. The energy of the first orbit E1 and energy of the second orbit is E2. When electron is moving from lower orbit to higher orbit, energy is absorbed. So energy is absorbed, delta E is equal to positive, and delta E is equal to E2 minus E1. Okay, E2 always greater than E1. When electron is dropped from higher orbit to lower orbit, energy is released. So energy is released, delta E is equal to negative. Delta E is equal to negative. Since energy is released when electron drops to lower orbit from higher orbit. This energy is released as light. Therefore, delta E is equal to E2 minus E1 is equal to h nu, where h is equal to Planck's constant, nu is equal to frequency. Where h is equal to Planck's constant and nu is equal to frequency. Okay. Next, electrons can revolve in only those orbits. Electrons can revolve in only those orbits where angular momentum of electron is equal to mvr. Angular momentum of electron mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. Angular momentum is equal to integral multiple of h by 2 pi. So electrons can revolve only those orbits where angular momentum of electron is equal to integral multiple of h by 2 pi. These are the important postulates in Bohr's atomic model. Now, how to calculate radius of Bohr orbit? This is the nucleus. The charge of nucleus is Ze, where Z is equal to atomic number. Okay, the charge of nucleus is Ze. This is the electron. Charge of electron is E. Mass m. Velocity v. The distance between nucleus and electron is r. The distance between nucleus and electron is r, small r, and charge of electron is E, mass of electron is m, velocity of electron is v, and charge on nucleus is Ze. Charge on nucleus is Ze. Okay, there are two forces are operating here. First one is electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. First one, electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is equal to K into Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Electrostatic force is equal to F is equal to K into Q1 into Q2 divided by R square. When electron is revolving around the nucleus, some force is established and some force is operated. That force is called centrifugal force. Centrifugal force F is equal to mv square divided by R. When electron is revolving around the nucleus, some force is operated. That force is called centrifugal force. This is electrostatic force. This is centripetal force. This is centrifugal force. Where Q1 is equal to charge on nucleus Ze, where Q2 is equal to charge on electron E. Therefore, F is equal to K into Ze into E divided by R square. This is the electrostatic force or centripetal force. This is electrostatic force or centripetal force. So you have two types of forces. So you have two types of forces. One is centrifugal force and the second one is centripetal force. Centrifugal force F is equal to mv square divided by R. Electrostatic force F is equal to K into Ze square divided by R square. Okay, for stable atom, centrifugal force is equal to centripetal force. Therefore, mv square divided by R is equal to K Ze square divided by R square. R cancel. So, therefore, V square is equal to K Ze square divided by Mr. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 1. One of the Bohr postulates MVR is equal to NH divided by 2 pi. One of the Bohr postulates MVR is equal to NH divided by 2 pi. Therefore, V is equal to NH divided by 2 pi M. Okay, V square is equal to N square H square divided by 4 pi square M square R square. This is the equation 2. Okay, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, K Ze square divided by Mr is equal to N square H square divided by 4 pi square M square R square. Okay, M cancel, R cancel. Therefore, radius is equal to radius is equal to N square H square divided by 4 pi square M K Ze square. 4 pi square N square H square divided by 4 pi square M into K Ze square. This is the expression for calculation of radius. Okay, radius is equal to N square H square divided by 4 pi square M K Ze square. Okay, now the expression for radius R is equal to N square H square divided by 4 pi square M K ZE square. Okay, n is equal to orbit number, h is equal to Planck's constant, pi 3.14, mass of electron, m is equal to mass of electron, k is equal to constant 9 into 10 to the power of 9, z atomic number, e charge of electron. When these values are substituted, radius is equal to 0.53 angstroms into n square divided by z. Okay. Therefore, R1 by R2 is equal to N1 square divided by N2 square into Z2 divided by Z1. Okay, so radius is directly proportional to n square. Radius is inversely proportional to z. Radius is directly proportional to n square and radius is inversely proportional to z. Okay, when a graph is drawn between radius and n square, such type of graph is obtained. When a graph is drawn between radius and n, such type of graph is obtained. Okay, this is the expression for calculation of radius of Bohr's orbit. Okay.